BHMax is a construction calculator with a one-time purchase price of $12.99 for all of the features. Alternatively, you can customize your experience by purchasing feature bundles based on your needs. Once you've bought the features, there are no additional costs, no subscriptions, just a one-time payment. I'll talk more about the bundles later on. The layout is simple and intuitive. If you want to convert units, it's effortless. For example, to convert 99 inches to feet, just enter 99 inches, tap feet to get the results. You can also convert to yards or other units just as easily. Need metric? No problem, just switch to the metric tab and convert units seamlessly. The history in the upper left corner keeps track of past calculations. The quick list on the upper right corner stores frequently used numbers for easy reference. For example, if room 1 is 65, you can save it as room 1. Later, simply select room 1 from your quick list to use that value. You can also combine stored values, for example, room 1 65 plus room 2, which is 68, equals 133 for quick calculations. Some additional tools include the Notepad, just a simple text area to jot down measurements, the Project tab, you can organize measurements by project for better tracking. The Quick Jobs tab is what I was talking about earlier. The pricing is very confusing, but if you only need the basic calculator without estimating functions or the Quick Jobs, it's $4.99. If you want everything, including the calculator, all of the packs, and the Quick Jobs, it's $12.99. If you have any questions on the pricing, just drop a comment and I'll help you the best I can. I'm going to quickly go through each one of these sub-tabs. Feel free to skip forward using the timestamps below. One of the best features is the Mass Convert tab. Simply enter a measurement and it instantly converts it into almost every unit, saving you the hassle of calculating each one. In the Settings tab, you can customize default units, adjust precision, pick a background, among other things. I tested quite a few construction calculators, and some of them had the audacity to charge $4.99 a month to use them. Honestly, I have no idea what kind of updates a construction calculator app could offer to justify that price, and the one-time purchase options I found had a clunky or unintuitive layout. So considering everything, I do think this is a great application and it's the best one that I have found. If you know of a different calculator app that's better than this, let me know. I'd love to check it out. No subscription, please. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.